ekya UNEB. Ku mawulire agataliiko nfuufu ku olweggulo twakulaze eggulire nga abayizi bano n'abazadde balaajana nga n'abamu bazirise oluvannyuma lw'okukimanya nti abakulu bano baabayisawo abayizi tebawandiisibwa. Kyokka abayizi bano wadde tebawandiisibwa bakedde kunekaanekana mu yunifoomu zaabwe nga balowooza nti oboolyawo UNEB yabaddiddemu oluvannyuma lw'okulaajana. Embeera eyongedde okusajjuka abayizi be bakitegeddeko nti bagenda kutuula bigezo kubanga okwemulugunya kwabwe kwatuuse kikeerezi.
Ekigenda kukola ki okusinziira ku byaŋŋambiddwa mu UNEB olwaliro tekigenda kusoboka. Nsaba tubeere bakkakkamu.
Abamu ku bayizi bazirise ne basiba mu mmotoka y'abalwadde okutwalibwa mu ddwaliro. Kyokka embeera etanudde abayizi ebibiina ebirala ekiruyi ne bakimalira ku bizimbe by'essomero nga poliisi y'Nakifuma egenza okutuuka ng'ebintu ebisinga byonooneddwa era eriko omuyizi owa siniya eyokuna gwekutte nga yasendabirwamu. Kino kyejja abazadde n'abayizi mu mbeera ne balemesa poliisi okutwala omuyizi ono nga bwe bagibuuza nti singa bakulira essomero lino tebaalya ssente oba bino byonna byandibaddewo. Abazadde batulaze lisiiti kubasasulira ssente ziri emitwalo 2.5. Ab'essomero ze basaba abazadde era nga abazadde basabye essomero lino ligalwe.
Nenga ekyamazima ne gavumenti yennyini yeetaaga okuteekamu amaanyi okuinspektinga amasomero gano agatakola ki.
Kyokka essomero lino lirina ne primary nga bakulembeze beeraliikirivu nti n'abayizi abagenda okutuula PLE omwezi ogujja bandiba nga tebawandiisibwa mu UNEB.
Emirundi ebiri ng'abaana ebibuuzo tebidde bya P7 abazadde ne tukigumira kati aba basiniya 4 saawa zino tebatudde ebibuuzo kati omuzadde agoyingewa.
RDC w'Emukono Hajati Fatuma Ndisaba n'omumyuka we batuuzeewo ku ssomero lino erya Cranfield ne balagira DPC w'e Naggalama okuliggalawo lw'abayizi ne balagirwa okudda eka.
Okuviira ddala kw'essuwaani paka tuligadde tumale okunoonyereza ebikwata ku ssomero lino n'abantu abalirimu abaliddukanya.
Asabye abazadde bulijjo okunoonyereza ku masomero gye batwala abayizi.
Naye n'abazadde twebeereremu lwaki oleeta omwana in such a school.
Oluvannyuma bagenze ku ssomero lya primary lya Happy Hills Primary School nga nalyo likulirwa Ssenfuka okulaba obanga abayizi ab'ekibiina eky'omusanvu banaatuula ebigezo. Kyokka enaasanze abasomesa bonna badduse dda okwetegula ekibabo.
Batudduseeko tetulina gwe tubuuza tusanzeewo omuntu omu ate naye yeekalakaasa bwekalakaasa.
Omu ku beeyita baganda ba dayirekita akwatiddwa nga n'abamu ku bayizi basangiddwa nga basula wansi ku seminti. Lino nalyo RDC aligadde kutuusa nga nannyini lyo akasizza abazadde nti abayizi ab'ekibiina eky'omusanvu bakutuula ebigezo bya PLE.
Bigenda okuva mu kunoonyereza nga tulina poliisi yaffe wano bye bigenda okutuwa nti lino essomero lyeyongerayo mu maaso oba likoma wano.
David Msika Lyankolo yakusakidde eggulu lino ku Lwabukedde TV.
Keshongora kedube charity na chimamba jeta victims. Najangu we are the victims. Oh, we've got double trouble. Hati ebikugendo misho arho bariya nabo. Think about it somewhere. Ababire nibenda kuza kushoma etami gatandika bashomesa batabo. Nabetamu iriyo nehwa ebigezo utandike nyuma abazi. Konka all na RDC najangwa abazire bebere which is true. Inspecting ishomero manyeri yine bikwetagisa. But
how mujurizi how
gasicyo nagira ntu ya the victims. Hatumanya
Mbeni nija kabasha barayisinsa nkabasha bakinkabanga
we are the victims
of the situation.
Double troubles.
Oh gosh.
Abo kuba muzire nareba ishomero yine structures tumwazire
mazaziraho
now before I investigate the school me as a parent hasheme kuba haruhe emitendere iri yarabiremo
rubonera tandiki
ogana ngizo kwibwa charity tukulavuza mu kahumuro abo misho kaki hati I say this is totally suicidal kukwata sente z'omuntu okazirya mazima okarema kuzitwara omu UNEB kuregisteringa omwana rero okagumaho no disguising because hati nakimanya wowe nakimanya tubarako namwe na primary na urangwa primary hata abazira bina abantu mu primary ejo murren mureba
kwenyene
because
embabazi mbwenu tukakomaho twine kwatira na Gideon Senyomo akaturetera umukozi aha wo murimo gwanje katumwakire Gideon. Hi
Mnonga Charity na Vincent Mujuri z'amazira Senyomo Gideon koko wagamba okutwaza mwe bwana mugamba byo bikire mukuru wishomero kuri sente zo mweji any point okashanti astamatizamu amaziba gari cyo kigwire twarwo twagaruka mu rembo rwambara turinka ikyo mu tax park akashonsho cyo n'umurimo gwanje tureba abakezi na Mnonga barukora hands on nyino mwami atwemeriranye ndayo nje kuturamusi atugambira umurimo gwa rukora bitugwagumazire mbwire ki kandi umurimo yona abakiyasize mukuzamura umugo oriro tasebo tanka kwanjira ukuramusana na Mnonga bare ba TV West
abare ba TV West across Uganda yona nambara hindu kora hindu kuzarwa mazina ganje banje takanye sigeseraji bracket boy original yo rukora mu tax park ni ndiomwe aha abantu abakwe kore mirimo abinde bakunyoma bakajya mu nemirimo y'abantu abahasi kokati mirimo y'abantu abahasi abo kwa ninya mwetasiya ndeberera family yanje abana bashoma nteraho ebina basa kwe nanyente after omwaka nyine kikwasa kwaninga munko muntu
Seraji na Mnongo mu wa TV West nokora mu rumoji
nyowe ni ndiyo mu department of luggage nikora omurimo oguba kweta ogwe emigugu kwegura emigugu omu tax park
omurimo gumaze mbwireki
ogwo omurimo gumaziremo emyaka 5
okay
abo kuba ntakagugiremu nkabanza omu taxi nakoronka conductor stage yambarira yibanda kazo kunarigire yokwe bampereza kuba guide stage nabona rebe enfuna yanje ninge tasi yanje twasa kwemereza family na crossinga nareba mukuna kuzo mu department of luggage imbasa ku benefitingamu okukira kandi kuza stage
omyaka 5 twaraba wa crossinga wazo mu rumogo omyaka 5 eji izoba rya nibasa kugenda rita na izoba rya tuganira izoba rya unokera shazinga imwe no waza kwinuka utana sente kazinga
nyewe ni nyimuka akasheze shayi 11 tebekana sabana banje funaka boda mba droppinga yishomero after kwa droppinga yishomero continuinga jane yanje mpaka mu tax park abaisha 12 chweka imbana arandingira mu tax park ntandikira okuhereza abantu obuhereza
then luggage ijo gitongota
luggage nifuna abakurwa mbyaro for example like Rukungiri side za Bushenyi across kare western yona umuntu wakuzana motoka usanga inewe kigugu ati ntwara global ntwara gate ndonde yakabare atoshanga buli omwe ni mufunaho 12 rukumi at the end up waza kujya munanyezi naza kwetegura ihangwe mbanyine muke cyesha tucyanjo mushaho
oriro nywire
ndire nywira kwa natidaize no kunywa chai breakfast yawe
omwachivi wese amazina Nsenyomo Gideon nakashonsho cyo no murimo gwanje turinkai turi mu taxi park aho mu rembo rwambarara tonje kuganira ebirunje myaka 5 bituyihiremo
ebirunje binyihiremo base kushomesa abana kwanye n'abana banane bashoma nintere bina after okwezi nyine ekibina kirimo emitwaro 50 tera buri wiki emitwaro 5 tere chechi ekindi 15 emitwaro 5 necweka na 22
yana birugo mukwegura
kandi even nyine ekibino mu tax park cya buri weekend orwa mukaga nacho ni kitero mutwaro
umurimogo hata inariyo kwaherera jananye kagere ngaruke mbaranze mukora umurimogo akwenda guzamo ashime kuba aineki
ekikuno okufune baruha documents kuruga aho kuruga cyaro baruha ya chairman na national identity card eko identifying ambo yo mutuze wawe chweke echo okiza na registration fee nakasente kache mitware 5 then after ukagura uniform keje yanje yinzuire jinjani mugireba ukagura uniform keje
ero kigambo ki barara new tax park Department of Cargo namba 2
information mekubera uhe namba identifying omuntu mko atwara luggage yo muntu namba che atwara luggage yo muntu kandi za indication mu office lecha abura baja mu namba 2 atwara kadi yako muntu ageti ninga taxi yakabari basa ku following ekintu ekyo tumanya atwara bikuyo musabaze no
hata twareba watunge bara ya chairman watunga wareseke mitware 5 cha registration na nebindi then amani ushimukoshomeraho amani ushimuko
akushoma kirigira for example nyoka shoma form 6 konka Biden mimo ya Uganda numujimanya na tryingo kunoku nazo mbyo kombeka byayanga na shamu crossinga kujya ntikamaze ezo home taxi naona reba enfuna yanje yarema najya ntikuna kosa man ganje aboko ho nenda man takwenda oil ninga master kikuno kureba mu wagira man gawe kandi wagire micwe wabasa kwatagana ba customer for example tune ba customer mutuna kutera yoko mucyara tinasindika luggage yanje amotoka jindrop ingira global ninga tawusi bagintware Kampala kusindikira umutwaro obisindikire 15 niyo balancinga we cyitano
abure minyeto erga yemerumu
eminyeto yone ryokwe empurikirize nige kundeba TV West Shahezi daruho murumo mubi kureka wano gufunamu kureke chinkwe hanangirize minyeto bareke kurerengaro ninga bakenda emirimo ya white collar jobs abwo nyonka shoma kongo kushoma kwanje wasanganye korire kigugu imbasagamba no omuswahili ngambe no muzungu ngambe no mu Ethiopia ngambe no munyankole no muganda nkashoma nko muntu yakusanga umuntu akore nko muntu wansa loko konka tindi roko kwamba se kureba family yanje kandi nanye kandi ngesimisa magana mugareba bikiria tinyine buzobona
emyeto netekateka ngo myete shimo kuzombira mu keji abazire batekateka ngo umwana weta shimo kuzombira mu kogo akwayo numugambira ki
atabazira bo kukiro gwingi nimo mukukenesa abana ako mwana umugirambo agomwe gwaza kuza muno munafu mano murofa no guhenda konka atari mu mubi bana basakwaninga mu after a year yo inakiwiya moka gasereka nibo kerebera ko muntu yune myete mingi necheraka sheshe mnyondo mutano wana nkogu bakanza ro mustay yambara achera hariyo muzara okwikana no hariyo mukasento marwa bamutaka mwaza mu myaka kwa simwe simwe mzebe mzeba aza ni kumizi tax paka 10 nesete nyingi baza kwira no bone sirwasa ko aninga ukateka account namwe kuteka 15 after miezi 3 nogure simu nkeji kongo mtu bamuterera kasimo mu kijungu buyaka ko abraka simke twa beneta ko within just 2 weeks aza watuganira
iyo muzira ryokwe menno munyeto ariyo natureba akashonsho cyaka TV West nekakoretera kureba ngo hije cyubihamwe afite ngo kikubaska kuretera abantu kaba abona abantu baburije turiyo mu taxi park yambara n'umuntu waburije basa kwijo mushange mayonje kutungo bahabuzi n'icyo nkakezo
yangoye
yo gamba byona
yango yogerera ago mushange ngorana wazani cyari wanje munonga izana bajya kiyatera mu bahuriza
abantu baza kwije wishewe urirota eto live TV West baza kwijiromu iwo muri mugwawo nugo guha no rimwe buzwa mikugo
gamba munonga ya live zakwa kama ko rimwe mu taxi park
ogumaze mbwiretse
nagumara mu myaka 2 n'icweka
imyaka 2 n'icweka izo yari yaza kuri gakora cyasina
kuri mitware 3
yarengaje
nkora mitware 4
oriro nywire
ndire nywire nimbanye n'imitware 3
abure minyetere munongera yo kerga yemiro
igimyetere gayemirimo yo ninjihabora naye nyiciro mukora twena tubase kubaji
ukaruganga
niyo ninduga Katete Central angeza baya Katete
okay amazina
Juma Kintu
ogunuma Juma Kintu obujurizi buro omutax bakisho kumaza tomwe chikumaza nabantu bingi akwa yari namba 29 echikumanyisa tutesa mbyama tukabanga
tine memba y'abantu 30 bari mu Rwanda basa kufunamu yo marebere family tubase kuhangara mu kibuga cyambara fina magara marungi kandi mutarakoze era marina kashankona karakoze akwa tine office waenda kweto mkono muringwa noende uri mu kanso
okay namba bese namnongo bali natreba kwenda kumuhabana na mnongo kwa ino munyeto na ndo jo mukwatero
namba yanje 0 16 8 amazina manyita kanje sigeseraji bracket boy namaliza mushanju 2 16 8
abana mbeje mwaba kwende bikushirariye binamnonga kutungo bahabuzi kurwa bracket boy muterere umuganire njana tekateka naza kukabura imyaka 5 imyaka mike ukureba ngo ni wabasa kugice wakora abakireka ngaro mu studio nasiganse nyumo Gideon aho murembo rambara
Gideon yaza kurenga no botahize shirinje zinga hiko hano ye comparinga na bracket boy alo
ekyo kyate nokigarukamu
Seto, relax Gideon konga tenda kusima kandi yenda kusima n'omujenyi Siraji yabari clear loud and clear and elaborate
no bracket boy ninga in bracket boy
no bracket boy nizina tukaje ko chango sikiriya yabari very elaborate yashobora je mwe kugira ngo ati tokaje tekigara tunachenga ati byashobora byane bicengwa kandi message nkuru yabere ngo you people get what to do twina abantu nabanyagubusha bw'abakazi nabacwenye igihe cyo roza kwimukosha nk'umuntu yatahiremo bibona nebereto umuntu sibata gukora ubundi ari kugira how can I get money konga research rero yangu buriyo manye cyane nakora then numucendeze mishango aho kwa buriyo manayi nakeye kandi no matu ryo mbwire bo protecting against hatko winicho ineho you fly protect it nanga na revna nda protecting a camera yen haturi umuna ari yaho konga tayi not so you people buriyo majere chi ayitabira makore we fight poverty complete tuchendezera 39%
indeed
bituraho bitahandi ntuza kwija later twagakonka umuro ushabi having Dr. Benjamin Musita ndenda kumanya abo bantu abari heru abanyabiganda butura nko mu diaspora Dubai, Qatar, America, Canada. Nahandi bo government nebi hamwe tomushoro. Mwenu ba contributing. Because we know mugasho.
Yeah, true.
You know rango muntu ndo Canada na maremi akenga. Hinechi.
And they are earning that foreign currency.
Aha.
Yeah, it is far richer than ours.
Now that man is an expert on being to be economics. Nakwa na tuoreka. Is it good twagira abantu bingi bakuza heru ninga n'abantu batushara. Nakora tushobora
badira brain drain manyabiha ubwonko mbabuyaba butwara kuyaba bakuriya batwata
ningashiro afera yo utararwimuka abantu bitu baferira heru mpenda tumanye bo babayo hine kitugoba munkihanga charte yagamba bajeta foreign
currency
so ogwengo kuzakuba uri muramagwitu simuka program nego muzamukuruga shaheme kusashaha ishatu turi TV West turi akasozi boma and maybe again turukumura na no kusimabo abutwire nabo oyinoko koraga na TV West the other time there was a match aba border abakanika abantu baratwaraga inyuma cafe kan bari Bryce Youth simwe bari baje boutique mwe bari abantu bona bakwija mukagamba emurukora mukabiranga
day to day
aha thank you so much let's break
Metropolitan International University twahumura ntugaruka impapura z'amakuru utarga program yasisimko
mwana nyiwe nkasigara ninchapa nobu narebire nyinorohere mwana nyiwe nkati no kusoma ibariro epoxe karengana ebyo nabirunga ko marisa ndibiri tebereza owaboda nakorata buri umwata kwenda kumihika kuri najiro mirwariro kari bakandi banje banasho bagaye mutakarinda nkanyuwe kunarinzire
yeri niwe nabeka yawe nabatahi bawe muri kutunga obujanje abaho naho mwanza kureba ngo mwino bonerwa impuks bakumanya bikira hotel restaurant cyangwa magara ahana metaye kushashurira not munana not mukaga ningo sindiko butumwa bwabusha aha you report aha 85 not obutumwa obu kukiba kitomwe cyane magara nabatahi babo
ati nakwiza umukazi wawe mugende muzare mwe mutunguke mbenu emigisha oguno mugisha gwabaziyi
muzeyi webare okumpa mwana wawe abakika kimwebare okumpa mwana wanyu ocho humura ocho muzeyi webare humura okumpa mwana wawe ocho
akazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 10 zonka yanditse shaheji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash simu yawe ubwo shiringi 10 zonka rero utegerezo muncha ogusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwihandikisa nikongera micha yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente program yo mushonje hamwe no muneneserezo umuhanguzi naza kuba natererwe simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundi yo kwetaba mu kazano nikone micha yawe kusingura iri kweyongera
Izoba iri kumina naho kwezi kwituko kwikumi aho mwaka gwitenko 2025 kanda wizobera twine papra z'amakuru ezashora harimo urupapuro rwa Kede na rwa The New Vision bueno aba basigaza baha bakagenda bankwatanisa akekasanga kina Mujuruzi Vincent bagira ngo abakazi nabo bari kubanza ngo ladies first so babinza bagira ngo obana Kede obana New Vision nyinshi bikwa nitandukanye babaziya kacetere kitominarake nahikanaja ngo why abakazi bakajya tubesa submissive na
yarakobe no presime nawe tuwe mwene uko chitwire nibajangu ladies first na mwana muzako kutaho moto kama be gentleman so you first come open the door mwene ureka nkazi yasta and by the way muzamukahendera musincho mwene washura ngo yasta mo rujuru rucinje hatogaruko wawe so people who are there will say he's a gentleman
imagining katwashange myanya itari kumara kandi urukurango umukazi nanda kugenda imotoka nogirga munoza harabaje umukazi nataha muno mureka nagenda then for you go later
of course it is assumed ngo kisheme kwakiri konga no manya foronga abashira bakagano bafayo no shabare babatagaruza no maybe ndebinge bisheme kuba reciprocated ni nchikora garuza hati abakazi bingi bakashanga bari expecting to receive batagaruza hata abashije nabo bakatandika kufa batyo we may not do it kongo muri bukire ningo kwakuboye no mwana embere katabuka you secure the baby nukazi nawe bashije kumutwara ati waza kula kera waguruka waza umuto umushija wenyine niyo sheme kweruka hero
okay
tegure bintu bitumasi bukacekinga stoha naci hatukagaruka umuntu bari bagira umuntu uko warushana ajati muyoko mwetegereze kigamba nenki ari yo mucenge ayesereke bene no mangu kwifirije
abantu babakanyira mwe imagining mu motoka ya muri ko motoka mwena mwine kugenda yabe groupe ine kugenda konka mbweno myanya yakendera motoka roha ayakubasa kucicira mutahiwe mpaka mugenzeri.
It should be a man, by the way. You see, on your charity, we are kumbuza, you know, tega butega. Hatogu, are you know? A man is supposed to be there, you know, ashemekuba
are sacrifice.
Yeah. But you see, along the way, it was shangu. We never took quarter to girls. Hati, you know this, by the way, charity. Ebyo nebyo mshashemeye kubikora konkana we arukuba appreciated arugaruzwa arukusimwa mbwenu
hati nkubuze kunda abanze no ijaganyirwa muki cyabitaro aho njata kubanza
cyaba kitaro
mwana mu expecting again zombi to mbi kujanga ladies first hati ninye naza kubanza kujanga mu ready konka wine kwano yitire wa expecting am any gain you know hat har mu gain cyabanye nabanza kandi kwera betaro abo cyo takubanza cyo nacyo kikaho
mwene mbanze because democracy ni kwa
it's okay akapana rwa bukede irana bajanti afude ngaba biba musika kwa kasawo ku border yeah mukamusika bamusindika yagwa hasi kahoma umwana wo mwishiki murunji mununga ogwe nkwe yarugenda atyo abona bibi mu Uganda benda hani ndamba jante bya senior fo bitandise RDC agade somero ya feza abayizi njana mahari ni ya true twarukoreka njana naganda nagoga yopo papura n'urwa Bukede dere batworeka nti Chagulanyi Sentamu Robert ataraze Butebo ukuntu ahariyo narondera akarubice ahabwa president bwihanga riterya Uganda arukuretwa umucibina icanu Chete National Unity Platform twayongera omunda indani batoreka ngo president Museveni nabyasabye abe Arua na yari mukutarage gwanga okuraba nti nayasolofuna akaruru mu bifo bitafanagana so abari Arua naye ayina cyabasabye biryaho utakabiferwa amasomero gajumbide bigezo bya Bukede ebiteka wa P7 kwegamba ikibakweta pre-LE examinations abana babyejumbiremu ahabo papura rwitorwa Bukede then agafa ku ba celebrities ngo nindeba nagira ninda harimo Benda harimo Alien Skin harimo Jose Chameleon bitaruna nayo mpanga bageta patience katushabe na dance tokiriza birunje bigira ko okwisamu maso and indeed
of course there's nobody who is working for herself ariko baza kwikiriza ngo myombe konka so njani ngo bakwatiriye kwekora kuko self reliant cyari to kwakuruzo no ngati nibaza kujya nza kugurira cyayi cyari to mwase hakonga cyo kwakuruzo no ngenda kutwara auto tuze kuriya kacha mushana twongana uza kutekwa kurya inyama y'inanga hataho haciro ndagira
ndakozeye mukuru narokocere
ukaruko kashibiri
engeri Donald Trump yakomeza urutaro rwegaza nabyo berwaha rwa Bukede Land Road atabuse no mupangisa yatadekorero mu nju japangisa
agiye amabate nji ndo wijoka
kombeka kwihaho you just go to emboga z'amateka you tell them what happens zo mundaga ni mwana gino bya binata
kandi kumanyaro baye bakuzo mu nju nkenkorejo
okotire yenkoko
kandi koko katwa nazo bije nakoze nacho waka akinyonka nyenda kombeka ikindi kintu when materials zacho kandi no kuzibika at the moment cement nebikugendera homwe n'amabati mbwe n'inje kiri mwanya muhango mu sitting room nakirize ntebe nazeje ka side nazo tunchiriza nezini nachi hasigara umwanya nayera amabati na cement na karone mtehimbwejo yaenda kuzabuza nachoka koko mchenjemwe akurosinge niyo kuna nitambuka batarumva we yambuza tachi utandikira duwe kandi
yes
yantina makantu and nasa bari munandeba namje ntabwachi konka burkashare batwaraho nibiyamuwe shawishatu mwan kwaheza kumpeza kujanjura kozi mbe ntakachikoze nkachweka namahurure agaga nkabangine ngashwekira kisika ki mwan kuna heze bajimopinga yona hatkumpeza nje mwanjura mahibshumo nkadi next data nitanja timeta kama nyengume
mazima
ntabachi ati sanje wari dungo sirenze
ego bambe
mwenu anyway abantu babatakwende bikurenga mwikirizine kandi abuturo maju ni mumjezo kubangira bukombeka akwano siga waje haragura ugitere mismaro gifumura
atoshashire cyasha to kwezi that is 10,000 per each day
umulyo kandi wori wombeje to kwendere ngo omuntu argo umuntu shange kwenda kukombeka usia
some kitoza batahibi to other things past PLO Ibuke pre-PLO examination 2025 social studies with religious education. Kampiendele. Uganda Cranes. Ekomya ijogo. Lia Algeria. Nachobuzo. Chambogo yawalede Bustema ezoneza University League. Populano rwa shiringi ande nanyi nekintata hamuje je. Populano rwa shiringi rukumi kana na rusharti orwerizoba. Katebe orpapura
The new vision. Yes, the new vision age, government plans fund for graduates. I think this is good and it's too good. Sure. Is it charity omanga gamwe agatunguche no shango mwana inewe sente ezo kugira ngo yatine murumo mbwen kare unemployment nibageta employment what nese ndaza batine chibakora batine memo konga ubundi hande tutakabere. But if they have a plan, let me hope nyonke za headlines tuzokarurezi. Ngoche bekwachi. So akokushange mwe planning wabo kugira aho kwati no kiretu n'abantu bingi batine mermo. Somebody can think ajatreka benchi. Wiro otherwise ebintu bishobora kuba hati ngatwine mnyeto minje tine mermo. Something should be thought about. Kugira ngo hatabo bakagira bat. Akuba final bakwenda barenka rebels, batari rebels, barenka binas not because konga bugira kashom 4 years 5 years down the road tinine chindiyo ninko ngambire birungi biya no 26 candidates come country side for vote Mario Mihandaye okuta imtebergamba China national day special ibyo nabiryaha adekoragana nunjagati ya China hamwe na Uganda bitwireho celebrations ziko no bireba iPod cash Nupu gets new conditions. Nupu ekabe yazire iPod nechi kibine kigita kimwe bina byo nayo tegeki. Mbwenu Nupu yabiryaho yaza. Mbwenu
akako kankanga.
Akaka.
Seven does what? Regis.
For graduate jobless graduates. Konga keraji kamushuta
tuli. Then how can we identify those jobless graduates? And how much fund can be given to them? I
think this is the process. You over quite jobless graduate. Are you a graduate? Sure. Because you see chat.
And a graduate of which level?
You started medicine. Wamaremi yakanga nkaheze nkumi binariyari wamaremi yakeshatu hakabochi nkazawa mu government yanga ibashara miliyoni 5 nkantazini hato wano mushashara to mushashara ko riyo ndijo kuba norengwa akashoma in expectations ninga gezaho obamanye oyiyaho kubata because I was disappointed nyowe ndebena nabashaho kugira ngo abwe nakatari akashashara miliyoni zinga kutugana mu mugabo mu government one of the districts around yewe n'Uganda. General Sare tips chaguranye on Musevenomics. Oku economics za President Museveni zikora bazesire Musevenomics. Nomanye kikakomoka kuri muri Japan hakari prime minister bakumita Shinzo Abe. Nkoraye okuyakoreye Japan bazeta Abenomics. Museveni pledges special funds for graduate jobless graduates. Konga graduate kanjutu batwene bina kuba kutunga ninga batwe bari bahigurura ba bishop.
Ndabatiremba haba bishop. Maybe they want to go further.
Yewezali nabari banda nabavuze.
Kushaka batobere cyase ngico. Graduate. Yazi nababa.
Graduate batobere ka batwaburijo
umukuruzi manyonga ure manyachi.
Graduate bakatobere umuntu waburijo umuntu waburija kubi. Abwo hatubari yabine mwe kashirudi kongati byangu barije nabo bari babateka techo akwani bakora umurimo muhango.
Tunamakwana oburra abantu rahangana hereze bintu rahangana ubwinga bamabishiro gona no wagine nyowenka mwesiga ukashanga no tambara kagari so
one ni rwembe
beno hanga ugenda nagayo.
This is good. Mafabi promises to increase elderly funding aibambe chintura ni nchigambe ntwali nayo bure okuchondo za kukorega ngo abantu bakuritanga barakakufa namune ntinire aho kwa ndebera ubwene bucendera kandi n'ikindi cyatendera abantu bamani na retiring tina gambe bigambo by'amani bwene rangu retirement ni ano atati mwene nyo ati chinte chinshobire atarona itukuza
cy'umushobera w'abana ihaho mutahiwe wakatekateka ngo mutahi wakanaza.
You know, I feel if I was given an opportunity umbidebe huriye mbone byo kora I can think about
kora feel ndiro
mani kwa chine mancha
ngaba ko mchona bari bihurire
je china mani konkana macha endera sebo nata so you don't chip chama konka I think I can't complain because you know first of all Ugandans to cooking 50 millions numba muri binja all of you kandi echokora chona is an opportunity bayano no kuba TV Westa it's an opportunity mbeno oyemanyiza bya sport barundi manyungu niyo katunga homuji konka etabe entitlement yo kuja mwana ntarongo no kubikora no doesn't work. Aha, Koboko Malacha voters demand electricity in villages ni Wampara Mulimbarara Chwegabinji we demand for the same electricity. Amakuru gari yaha nupagiro kwa kuzana natunge sente n'ubuhobwe aho kubane tage sente shwari k'ikibina gukora imirimo yabo wotine sente zo no gumirwa. What President 7 focused on in his Independence Day speech yeah ngakubishanga mu rupapuro why sign this warrant for Entebbe's ecological balance okay aga namakuru mingi munonga. China celebrates Victory Day manya China egi ingigambo munonge bebe they raised around 750 million people bakabiho ngoro myaka 35 China so ababaje ngo independence no gamba ako bakachikora so China marks 80 years since victory in war of resistance. Arama kuninga kwa atiriari China aza tushome amakuraga tubicenge abukuba bakachikora. Stop mocking you EDCR says minister. You EDCR Uganda Electricity Distribution Company Limited. Ekitongore nkazayo nabagambira abajantare ebikondo bigwiroko witu. Emyezi yabeje nkazayo ahitu ku my time naza hwa nabagambira. Banya contacts n'abahereza ebishani ebikondo bikigwire turagambe ngo I am mocking them. Mena member teru Uganda's high manufacturing gross excites stakeholders. Okay, turugeza okuhendera ombikwatine national news youth cry out over sale of government jobs. Indi nantara ugambe umuntu kushaba miliyoni 15 ku mu government hatuno ibuza government ejineyishe neyanyina neyishentu neye is it his commodity kajiyo mukatara nenkoko yatwire nayo mukanajiguza wena wakagugura
ko kugura no kintu no tugura koresa nkoko rukwenda atoriyo no gura umurimo no ija gutura aho mpako kabere no gwawo
this is too much.
Why should we buy?
Kana abantu bagiguze meji nibagiguza na mwana
miliyoni yango ibirogera ngwego 5 no mushobo
20-15 million mono muntu twira tine murmo bona ngwanyo na ngwantwire na nyimbaje mu nyingo konga tubanje ngureta miliyoni 15 ku murmo
wanyombera you're making noise.
Israel welcomes us to the surviving hostages in part of the other deep njano bireba amakuru marungi bikize twenderaha know your cup size to get the right blah cup size kwatene byo burega utakakajwara katakushika ubundi nwasa kubona nonga kiri no tell me that she had a child ubwo numukora mutano mbinga ninga nimuguma hamwe birya agiye kushanga shanguriya bino mwana kandi wakata kuchimanya
nanga washanga mwine kabara kugamba hakiri kandi maboko mwasitunzire mukabona mukatoretera
echo ni hano echo it hurts more kongana bwe ni utwanza kumanya nyowe nyino mwana wanje had a relationship that hata na chicho nichirunye ndandukanye
kandi matabuza kumukoretera umwana kanyishe
turamwe amagara gitu gona uko mwana ubona uramusheko kandi usheko manya
cyose mwana no wanje rero ukora ki ofa ohimbuka ukora ki
ati norebe ebishere kibwe biribwe mbeba nefumu y'urunyankore nyo nyenzere ngo mwana tumanye hato tanyiba nuntu arasende ko kurebera kibiri ya nuntu planning I might get my good management fees mwako I am konga ko kuba musherekero ngumano nyiba
sente nimba naziba nyo nimba ntine chinkozo no mukeja mukabona kiya kasenta kuna atakunkwira kukata Izina tata izina hamawe nzitana zita isn't it all money?
It is all money, but you see charity.
Transparency. Don't bring me kugenda
Aga baida wajinensho ngakuba rero batureba. Bino tudachika twitwa
kahungu. Wawe shitameni yaho mpumize
sentari yo kureta. Tositanya ko uyu mukozi munonga. I am wondering ogomano wabiro ine the intention yo kanoreba
intention yo kutebezanira urwo gamba sente tozo kuba
utunwa chebeza brand group sinkamanya ngo ine oninga AB hata bwenchi no utakungamiro tinkanye ne umwana mananye I should declare the child if I have any No, nanye, and I'm not saying mwakazi mwashe mekwaza ati hasa ni umwana even you a man oyine umwana okawazira umwana kuri ya ine myaka mushanzu ari mu primary na shoma be open to someone and say I have my boy, oh my god
umwana wanje wuzire ayinishe ayinechika umwana musigire chikachabo iwe chikecha kuno numfachi no mwana wanje numfachi no mwana wumpire chikacha
see now hato gumwana
uriya no mushira yemerera ngo
umwana kwara nico batangiye kutera simu umwana acobera
ati ngo yamara twakutera
konganyo I should be in the no kanyo le kambagambe eco
ubona yarwarana bantera no tinesare ngo be no mumanya
cyari to guru mureba turi ya debate ko nta kimwe kikuru kukigambe
twaza kubura basebana abanyanza tugarukana na umuhango orientation n'ishoza umwami Benjamin Musita Dr. Naija ko yakutangaza ntuyeta imshoro ahajya barutura umunsi zaheru bari yabitu Tishwe sebo
Yes nico cyenyine cyo exactly abantu bakushobora Yes program sisimo
Twendera ngo umushoro kare
tax wise what we get when we have so many
and how kati bari basebana abanyabantu garuka no mujeni
Nchuri kurebera abana kuri kubanuza kuhereza ibyo kudushemire kubicucuma
ukaba wamiyambere ho kuca
kandi ibiriza brenda ziriho no kubaho brenda umukorera ni bacita simu akwataka kiko hati ushanga ngo yamikambi wawaje gambizi wawaganywenje birizi ibyo kurya by'ibyonka byakwatine hati we nabona agenda okukozesa
abakazi katozaga kumkakashitama abana kamusha gutwashitama nabo bashize bibona
noneba ibyo kubikora kiri kutwara nabwire bwinshi yego ukwiyo wote ari kuchikunda kuchikora nibwo kiri kutwarira amani menshi kunga ngiye kubona nda ngokora byo ngenda gukora simusi tiji kutwara edicika zirengirita ahumwe uba wakoze gasi 3 izuri kumuhaho nibukanyaho n'indijo nawe kanyu kumkatiya ebyebisa ibyayamba kureba ngo ishaka yatwara isukari n'amashanyarazi umumpanga yatwara oiro iri kwetenga kubaho umugongo abakutuza umugongo hari amezi hari yishaju hariyo enyombe kamubiri aziri umukika ica amino acid nibwo butafari buri kumbeka ibyo nibyo biri gutuma ubwonko bw'umwana bwatandika kumbeka ubutafari busya ubwonko nabwo cyo note ko kumuyamba kumulise cyo kinyanja kumuhejo koko dero ukaronda n'ibyo byo kurya ibyo bintu mugajuka tugire nka karozimi karozimi rwano kakamuha uko mucaye n'ukuri kumutekera mu byo kurya nubano yamba ejo rosemary oil ukuyamba kunywenjebiriza ibyo biri kwetinga mu mpanga ukuyamba ubwonko wabine kakakutukumwe washibishuka munanjira mu
akasano kayo
no heriza iki kirayambe ubwonko kucamuka derijuka unebyo kwari kubona bikora no mu gisakuriye ngo amezi go naganyo haza kuri kubona wenda kumanya amiza gashimire kubona unya no mutaha mu nzani buri muntu wena yaza mu nzani ikireza ari kubaine nazigabira 25
dena bana tungache
atunga mizi gashimire kubona anyo
urizo kanya ngumuti ya nkaga na mwenda
ati 25 nuza kutunga nka 2 n'ikicuye kandi ikicuye changu
nashiki so kuba kibone cyane turi tazanda hafi
burizoba
aicyo nchikwa gota okuyeho hati tuyuntera kudakika kugatweyeho niyo ndeba abana aba ezinemyaka yo kutunjira mu orukoro na senyiga mununga na nechi bakweta infections hata aho nahaba habura kiruyare ahabwenze nizikwata almost bona season ya infection ono yabona habura mu zero wa isata umwana we akahendere bitamukwasire what causes this
wagira ngo byango bwana saye ibi bari kwahemba na za nasere zimwe zigamba mutarete byo kurya kuba tubine kunga bine niyo base bine yo juice bumpa bushanga mu maduka ni bugura ni bitano hati bo baje ngo babahereza juice abo bana babatine mezi kandi batine ibyo kurya biri kubasa kuba yamba ukurenga immune system yagira amaneko abo bakabona kuno ndamwe wa juice y'icungwa ijwagire inemu ubutunguru hamwe n'eshenda aza bana tukira kubimbe shenda immune system nebe inamane menji ngo kugira ngo ogo wa leta urukororo no go wa leta senyiga abo boni batari kushorana kunga immune system yishimire kuba inamani ngo kubasa kubibinga abo kuba abana kuba bari mu cyumuro abasivane bazana ne Maria Kari achaza ishomero nagaruke nyindo zigi abo kuba yatunga ubukoko bwabira ati n'umuka ubwo mu bitaka gukorire abasirikare bo kumurinda kunke kiri kora abasirikare ni kikorwa inyombeka mu mubiri zashimire kuba ni umusoya no mu cenyanja kukira munonga nkamukene dera kongera kukikureta kazi tumukoze ibyo ariko risime gicungwa ningera nasi ninga mapapai ninge miyembe nkeshande haziryo shande ujikozire utungire musukari abo bana banje kubakoza noteko kubakoza kwiriza iri kubakoza kandi noteko kubamanyiza ibyo kurya ibi mutamanyire kubahereza abo ko ni mutirateka ngo nibisharira nko butunguru kakatumucumu nkeshenda ketangahuzi nk'indimu ibyo nibyo biri kureta karizito mu ngose ibyo kurya ibikombe kombi kandi kabya n'amano mu immune system paketantaro burwire uri kira kupata abantu mu buryo burwire bejese kunyamizi bejese kurya bibisi mwambetse kore exercise kandi mumbikirize babyame kare ari zose nakiri muri
yego
TV West turi omukibuga cyambarra akasozi boma sisimuka ne ashayemo kusasha ishatu We are here in the studios in Vincent Mshosi, Dr. Benjamin Musita, omukugu w'ebyentaasya, a doctor of economics, of course, matendekye ogatari gamwe na gamwe, and an educationist. Akuba ebyo arabyegesa omatendekero mingi, otiireho nankahanu ya TV n'ahandi. In my view, nyoni nteekateeka ngu Dr. Kabe naaza n'omu community. Kaatorugaha ozanka kazusanga abantu beeteraniye nkaburunga. Ogamba n'abantu abo ogezaho kukora ekibakweta mindset change omu bantu. Because you who is nibageta brainwash, you onabireho hati ogezeho kunasa n'abantu. But you keep in closed places at the enlightenment yanye bari limited.
Tugeze amaze university, of course, one of the key roles za university tuinemo kushomesa nawaza na master in Kampala University of Science and Technology amachinto cyo bakweta community outreach njoro kushanga ngo abana beta ba waranka bekuzo mu internship tukubashangayo konka tuinoho nka medical team. I think a medical team negira those medical camps bechereza konka tishikira ko bari meeting of course na very budget kugeza medical camps kuza kugenda kugira ngo tugende twatenga bakaza barwere fistura ninga twatenga abana bakuzarwa bainamana mace atushanga ngo ibi bintu byatari mu budget ibintu nubuguma. So mbyo kuchira kuteganza makunga one of the key things that call community engagement hatnyo buneja egen community engagement.
Yeah,
I think your community shahage.
But you see, they may want to credit you for that. Konga binji murbinji. Your mumba one was correct. Some other people. Party as an educationist. You na Kwako kuza kwete jerezaji. Nyuma bazi abana ba senior yakana batandikye bigezo. Konka mangu yeta mukini tandika twirunge sharingo. And all has been swept under the carpet. And nkombyaro ku outside wargo myanyiji y'amatown where abana tubakusho akwari ngo primary abashomeza no bajya unibenda pay rise tubari yo complete tubari then a second level aba arts bakesharing because they want salary increment and we are you know rent tugendo misho nga arumba kusheka tiko n'okenda ko hatutandikire bigezo kwiyamuki. As an educationist, what do you think about this?
It's ninjetani wachite kakaramete. Nechi munonga kushanga ngo government kachihamisho. Abukuba ababanda nabo kweta medical doctors kuba kwesharinga. Bajira ngo chaza murago mukuchetejedas. Ninga shinkari mbara nanka hospital harfaro umushaho yimka kajya tinguza kushomesa ico no kireba kushobera ato mushomesa yabigira ati emera yatubirambi kandi abo nibachikora in strategic way umuntu bwire ko bururu muzayi naronda kabo twatesha rinjira shaheje umushaha yagarukira hante tukuza gukora iki tukuza kwiyamuna butakwesharinga and ndabareba impact ejeshanje basa kukoza ikiteganza kitihanga oreba ngo nabo engeri bachiretamo it is a strategic way bachi baziremba mayango msha yagira ngo batachimkwasa yagaricyo mu government ndisho because the government eri yatekoza kushanege ryo nije nuko kuba kwa bachi barakonka n'ikisasa munonga kushanga ngo tine nangwe izere hakaba convincing aboko kazere ngo muza kugeza tubatenkahi on budget nubwo kubeno gamba den kukugire kukwasire ngo maya wa trista bana bakorache aba bashomeso bagira uti ntubaza kuzinkuriza ngatesi by 5% kunga to kubyo kubabando ningira complete because abashomesa borukora mu cyaro beno mu rumo gw'abana muno obihiraho abakurenga foundation umwana yije in foundation no kukwija university no bano ugambe ibintu babaza kubyetegereza ejene foundation washanga primary abana bari mu byaro kwete workshop abana bari mu town no baje n'ikindi cyukusasa munonga nyowenka nkanye ko umuntu arikwetegereza ibintu byentasiya na no mugashoga education aha mwana government kugireyo at least gireyo abagambira
maybe
orebe mbere iturumo obashitamisa uyetatimu zabo noje ko baye sharengera abandi natwe bakabita bagashtamisa cyangwa amurindemo
ecyabashomesa maybe it has taken longer and somebody was telling me abashomesa ati kukwaga bafasha batagire marwaro babarwenda bafa haruna abanda bibikwirira ngo tubesharinga because you know it can be konka that's why they are not allowed because you know they hatushomesa mushota ini chwako chakwise kwera konka noreba effect mbi ombyo wegese it is in the long term
it is in the long term
togumwa omwejo wako nko covid by the we are soon to see effect ya covid hihanga wastamire akaza gukora ibindi biriya ningo wakonde kunkaru
mana nabari bagirira umushara hata bamwe babatwikira hata bakugira ngo abantu badirisa kugira ngo umwana nangabije kumutwe kaganda barahirize nga P7 aba bana batakushoma n'ikintu kuteganisa enkorakora na yihanga because education has to be a priority twicereza ngo priority zihanga bazo ranking bagira ngo hati kuteganisa yihanga n'amashanyarazi ikindi cyakabari n'ingutu ebyo ko in place development nera kebindi nubukwataraho but education ubwire bushire abintu bukwatera n'amagara na nokushoma kw'abana bishomuka mbere bwaze priority.
Okay, umurama gwitu gwenyini official today mpenda kureba abantu abo bajya hero the diaspora abo bantu government nebi hamwe tumushoro niba contributing akibayiza ko urangwa abantu Canada America ya hero Dubai Qatar aba bantu abo kwa bajya hero how do they benefit their home country? Government nebi hamwe tumushoro niba contributing achkwingana. Is it good to have so many people abroad because hari chibeta brain drain so what is the benefit of having thousands of millions of people in the diaspora?
Bari munonga umuramuko abantu bakwatira nabakushora hero munongo mwihanga uhire mogo mushori mugamba itwe from the economic side ntuchireba ngo kana abanisho ma statistics nareba ngo eshitwiha mustende tsko gahere kubanza ngo uteka umwani ukora sakute abarambuzi abakwije kutaya yaha the fourth foreign exchange ana ningashe chinte chikuchize kutahiza sente chikurgahero n'abantu bargahero ico bakweta remittances
ni chimwa bintu bihangwe bitwe sente
twatumanya kwakana statistics zanzoreka ngo umwaka ugwahwire okay 2023 esente zikazi ga 1.4 billion nkugwaje kuba January umbuko banze ku 2024 eze sente zikazi ga 1.4 billion zikazi kuzire even by 3%. Ngomba kujya kurga ukwezi ko kubanza kuza aha December 2024 kuzo mu 12 esente zo zikakora by 6% zaza 1.5 billion sente zo kurgahero. So it is the force bano bari binte bukuretera sente zo kurgahero aba bana ntucera kuzeta remittances eze aba banta bakushora hera kasente kakasente omuka sente zo kumeneza yonjera muno zo contributing 1.5 billion is contributing a 3% of the total GDP. Eze sente tabakuzana mu agriculture konka chiroho factors ziretiriza abachityo. So nani kugira nti ohiremu okukirebera on the side of taxes haro government kuchiganyirwa abo sente zo kweyongerana n'umwana ogwabireho nuborebere umushobozi hato umunya Uganda abantu abakujya mu bashobora cyane bazazaro bayi bazangaye abantu bashemera mu
Can you never in so many government speeches or some big people in the government bakujezo kuchidiscouraging they are condemning it. It's like people like abroad mwenu abakuba okuchondo zenyimaho I don't have the real figures okwaye kwakozwe kore kangu tourism waga makaramba siri bakabana boreka ngo if we put much more money in tourism tukakigendera tukakikoraje it can even bring much more when you don't twinga bino muchana looking at it just depending on nature nego amataka geza abantu basharo bibabasa and we are able to get what we get. Now what if we modernize the agriculture? So ati kino tukore ibintu byitu nkambabaza mwenu abo baba rero tubakora in return we are much tutamuchi because I'm looking at show the engineers show the space experts. I mean, what is our effort compared to what we get in?
Hata kureba abanyuganda tima wano manyangu wano bara the top 3 English proficient countries oma Africa. Uganda yo mwanya gakisha top 3 abantu abarugamba cyo njano. So ntibati masango abanyuganda bakuruga amahanga gahero gataganye ngo muno because umwana w'umunyuganda to kwetaga kubanza kumutraininga kugira ngo agambuje so wandi batamanga ngabo munonga because no kubiha no bakwana ukabatwara mu Arab countries nkawaza Dubai abagizirwe mu the country when the true citizens ni 15%. Now 15% chibaje mansa oinemu more foreigners. 85% of the Dubai people n'abandi abajuru mahanga gani abahinde Pakistan Chinese bona bariyo n'abamericans bakora business jabandi mayisango aba bantu bine certain language that brings them that erukureta muka order hato shanga ngo Uganda niyo ba contribute ngira munonga ahalebejo because yone litabana bashomere bahangura bintu bitafashana most especially abakugenda bine muka kadi guri ninga senior 4 senior 6 ababana nabayamba munonga agamahanga konka we as a country is a center in form of dollars because what comes later it comes as a foreign exchange tuziba rom dollars tujango Uganda etungire 1.5 billion za dollar kuko leta zino kuzuku yambihanga omukutungura value ya shilingi the more dollars ezikurga higuru zikejo mu ihanga the more your currency gains value. No isente yaone kushanga ngudora ekeya chiranko misheto na rukaga hati shumire nyuma zambe ningora do mbe ninguza mbe nyine do some dollar have a dollar account kinde bire chiryo nchibaho nishuka no kunazuguzere na janto no this time now to change because nako muzamunti ninza kuferwa sente zanje kuza kujuguza nashanga ziri mbe majuguza 10,000 benache bishatu na chenda ya beziri yangu misheto ezitwagurira 10,000 na rwenda ushanguruzingire sente nyingi munonga gata wine sente zuko mutwaro gwa dora 10,000 bishatu chenda. So kinche bere tenda now ichi chigonje kanga of course bacha attributing at so many factors enyinje zirizo ziri more of ziri aside ya America because this sente yo America because ananka Trump tariffs na biya arrested bino kubitegene economy ya America ya baramamani hati twende noreba no twende tugirango yes we got much money in remittances katunga sente nyingi za jiromwana no rwanda kareta sente nyingi to Uganda is one of the key mbajamba among the East African member states we had more foreign direct investment sente zizire abantu babo kweta n'abasigansi b'umuryango kweta beto
investors
umuryango
n'abantu abatandika ibintu
abantu bagomba gayo bizira kora business aha neba kuba kwija bareta sente zo baziretoro mu dollars tararugura shiringi aza kukikaho gura shiringi because cooperating ngero mu economy no etaga kubona shiringi so abantu bakujana dollars na government hingwize kirajuru through Bank of Uganda kugira ngo na Ministry of Finance batekeraje mutako umuntu wena kugaheba utije kushashura mu dollar project yone ite ya yogumogendo jibazemu tutotwa kushashura zakwereza shiringi ugenda kuri dollars aho kuzenda turashashure mu dollars oyiraho eze sentence tukuba tuhozo bank World Bank nachi konka any investor ninga sho muntu akwija korra ha business hati eze sente kuzukubane zice kubanza cha biyona no kutamushirinja amani government ne benefiting amunonga kureba GDP yayo ne yongera okukora korana kubihanga no GDP ne tanana na budget bano bitansaje no bitansa
anyina ngo nyutin murungi munungu
hati haro sente ziri mu economy
yes
ebintu wakwate bikoze ro mu ihanga wabara byona ne sente zitukozere bakugira ngo Uganda ine billions nkaganisha za dola konka sente zikweta
GDP
niyo GDP konka ntwetaga budget kwingana ki no waza kujodo mujurizi ayino kugizwa worth
net worth ndiyo abantu bagambe
net worth ine mujurizi wambara no muzinga
ainente zinga hiya inengo ko
zinga takariyo warabara sente ibintu byakujwa byona wambara mujurizi bakugira ngo umwaka wo mujurizi akora kuri this is the mujurizi worth konka arho mujurizi na taga budget kwingana ki kuraninga family aine school fees no jubara na shashura milioni 5 ubara ukina yabinga hatwine budget ne na GDP. Yes. So ko kubara budget Uganda te kurenga 20 nanga million dollars. Nanga 20 billion dollars. Naka sente gache munoga 20 billion dollars ndizo mukwetaga kuraninga budget yange. Konko abarubwiga bwa Uganda turya 63 billion dollars. Kuko dollars kabaka sente gache munonga because wabarabana nkaba Elon Musk abari mu over 300 billion dollars nushango mwana umwenka nabasa kufundinga budget ya Uganda for good years.
Tatino wayiburuzo
even himself he can fund it. So oshangangu the number one benefit ya yes sente ko gahe it's are stabilize the economy. One of our economy one of the key indicators of exchange rate. Shangangu there has been stability and across Africa. Uganda is the best in managing foreign nanka in terms of currencies nanka instabilities. To need to jerezo kuzahas. From 2019 kuza 2024 mbakujangu umunya Uganda mutwaro gukuyabira ine kumaguga mutwaro. Kwizere hati mutwaro gurengere gwazana mutwaro na 10. Ogwa kuba ino musho ibintu biye nagoro mutwe 2019 na hato mutwaro gongo bigino.
That is
it's a very big credit. So one of those are remittances neche chintu cyo kubanza izi sente zo kubaziri izitukuba tunjiro mulingo ko
kare turiyo tuganira ninje kiganiro kirebe ibintu economic says ati tunganyi nyuni mbanye no muntazinshobora umunyango. Now I understand more GDP nebindi haromaza capital income manya bitorize konka turiyo tugeza kureba abo bantu nyabushobora hero nikimanyisa ki nangwa rusentera was happy kare government negeza kwenda following up ibintu bibe kubabaho and I was happy katuzo mukahumuro kace turagaruke ndizagumiza mu kiganiro mu studio tuye Dr. Benjamin Musita umweje sawa economics kandi tuganira omugasho ningashi ebirungi eby'ombantu abo kubano batura heru omahanga gataruga mwenagama.
The Ultimate University Quiz Season 3 continues with Battlegrounds this Sunday. Uganda Christian University battles Leroy University. Who will knock out the other? All games showing on Bukede 1 and 2, TV West and One World TV at 7:30 p.m. The Ultimate University Quiz is brought to you by Vision Group, sponsored by Bank of Uganda, Uganda Communications Commission, National Environment Management Authority, Parliament of Uganda, Crystal Mineral Water, and powered by Net Studios Africa.
This is the Ultimate University Quiz.
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente umukazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo urikoresha shilingi 10,000 zonka yanditse shaheji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash simu yawe abwa shilingi 10,000 zonka rero otegereza omuncha ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa nikongera micha yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente program y'umushonje hamwe no muneneserezo omwanguzi naza kuba naterwa simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti 9 anana mwenda emirune kwetaba mu kazano nikone micha yawe yo kusingura eri kweyongera
ati nakwiriza umukazi wawe mugende muzare mutunguke mbwenu emigisha ogu n'omugisha gw'abazaire
muzeyi webare okumpa mwana wawe abekike kimwebare okumpa mwana wanyu ocho humura ocho muzeyi webare ocho yabare rukibindi abekike kimwebare muzeyi webare stere
TV West kandi tugumizamu ikiganiro Vincent Mujuz na Dr. Benjamin Musita. So now nikirungi ihanga lyagumiza tureba abantu bakweyongera ngatukiza kurura twahura mu hata abantu bari hejuru tunenke mitware jadune chweka tware mitware tanu tware mitware mukaga is it to have more people outside
now
because I'm also thinking about the other issue of brain drain.
Icyo kintu cyo ukahari cyo takabaza kuchendeza Trump kwizera na leta bene President Trump yagiye kutekaho ibintu byo kubinga abantu bakurwa mahanga gatakushana bakugira ngo there are different kinds of visas okutura muri America haro visa yaba expatriates netanaho narukoronda green card abantu bakugira ngo India in almost abantu bagurenga 220 USA abaryo bonka baryo no bakora konka bamba kugira ngo they are number one key companies ezikwate nebya technology abahinde bakinvestinga much into technology. So the question would be you mau kusindikana bahi idwito abanya Uganda babanta tutsindika heru ntusindika abantu ba muringoki koruko jara binji barakora gace ukareba increment from 1.42 umwaka gumwe zaza 5 billion hanjero million karnanda za dola ujuroti Uganda is really doing well, but the question is ezini nyinshi kuchereza abana zikabatwara za katazia nzitwara bantu
because now that would work better if we were sending cream.
Why mko hata ngo kundejesha ukansindika hero nimbasa kukombaninga kabantu bakundana cyabanyegana bote nibaza kwati nyuno cyangwa umuntu umwe nagiza sente za kusindika umuka.
Maybe that is if you are working with Google, SpaceX.
Antiri waje nubukurugaho hati wanjirizo kantwaro mu World Bank would work there. Sente zindukora tugumba miliyoni ziryansi ya 50. Hatu no itaga abanyeganda bakwingana ki bakuza kora 50 miliyoni. Abari binja bari umutwaro za chenana abantu bari mu zinge so bako gitobu sente bwabo no kushanga ngo umuntu umwe nacira abantu 50. How much does Jeff Bezos wareba Elon Musk ukareba Mark Zuckerberg abana bahire India bahire China those IT gurus abakora za chips abana bakora za abana bakora za code zezo kureta za AI artificial intelligence open AI wakureba brain zabinemu bakagamba record chine kugira ngo Mark Zuckerberg akagenda yazo wo gumwana akozere open AI ya top of them na Elon Musk akataka kubibayo atabana bashasha over $100 million hata $100 million ino itagabana bakwingana cyabanye Uganda kuzikora increasing number it is important, but can they be sustained?
But is it important because now hatin kigaraka tera ahamutwe tukutandikiro mbitwantu tugamba
economy yane kora
when you look at our education here imwe baza kumareta abandi batandikira ebigezo etamu mwiroke sharinga and you keeping deaf ear. How can you solve that? Because education is the key.
Mujurize hato okuturya nichetagwa. Habwaje nichetagwa. Abana aba we oriented them badly. I don't know the amount of money you need to pay me. It must be good money.
Because you have what you're doing here, you see.
No, I can see progress, but the orientation y'abanyuganda babana butukushomesa. Likangambire we need a lot of money mu kintu cyo kweta national guidance. Esente zorukurebezi zero where problems are.
But you see now, hati noza kuwa items maro chike. At the same time, you know, zoom kwirukanga. Abokuba, if you want to talk about something related to mindset change, nebindi, then the number one blame is on you. Uyona kuzumwana utamuhinduye ntekate.
Hatu mwana ogoro manjere jera manjere kwati give what you don't have to nanga mujurize. Hati yes, what akubaza mujurize.
Me I don't know economics. Hati ni ushome santa.
Tokazo shome. The same applies to our parents. Hata baba agomezeire watara umutogo gutaterire okwe mbakweta ukutahangura umudeki umutogo taratare tabangwirwe tarashumesibwe
kan now the analogy to the government, because now what the question is just create a mindset change which should start from above. Why you grew Babangwiro, for instance, I was looking at somebody who's been a minister for long, but maybe Bwashi said the president in his wisdom and after consultation bagira mwenu Dr. Benjamin Ogwa twiro mu department eji reka twindro tugire you was headed the department for the years from the beginning of the time. Hato you know reka maybe you know hati noreba mu mindset change itutura those that can give it to us na wongani bajetaga.
That is very true. Bija in the other abantu bejamba kumana bakoma to be in a mom system na hindu kukora byo nurishango umuntu ayine doctorate ayine PhD na ataho mu class ashuze ikigambo cyo mu rugo mu kanwa cyushobera akigambira nk'umwana.
That's poisonous.
No poisonous konkanchira general his orientation no bwizera akazu mu university akashoma. The educating the mind is different from coming to class and get knowledge. Educating the human mind. Nichitana na nukuzo mkarasa ukashitama. Tubulio mwana jiro mkarasa akashoma. Akatunga PhD, akahika hand, has an educated mind. Ibyo byentende bitana, ejo no story no mushongo
kubasa kuchira kugira ngo nonjera ngo abeji over bringing something like that
bringing abana na nibitukubata. Imagine umusheja yeja nenke itetariji yejo mkarasa bina bashomesa. You are the Uganda of tomorrow, you are the president of tomorrow, bina bashomesa abana. Now abana generation ware babana bozire tabara hareve wakulireho umwana akubuze kibuzo muka ubanzoza kureba niba hati nganye ni I have a son but nintina yana koraho umwaka umwe naza kumbuze buzo mbere kubyetegereza. Akana the level of thinking is different.
No mukuri two different worlds, two generations.
Umwana nakwata isumu atakashize mwaka ureba nakiriza nagitakutu kumwana yenda kugira ngo namanye somo ko kugitakutu iro somo twazere biro turyo tuza university isn't tkurire mane zitana haza generation kozugumana zitana konga byo turya takurugamuramwe aba banta mu kusendeka yero of which quality Uganda kwe kuba aninga mu kufasuna musente sente nyingira basendeka through banks basendeka through ejezi sente abana bakusendeka ntuzihamu mu Western Union nebindi they are very different in anga organization byinshi konga kushika wanu yo sente sente wave ina kanto ko kushara koruko kuzita mobile money ebere bahate no bana ba Dubai na USA no sindika center mobile money konka ko kwano kuziya government shara so mo diana boza government ne ganjuro mu mshore beria it is over $12 million over $12 million ruko zina ninde kuja out of 1.5 Uganda te kubura million za yonka nka makumi za dola is there an interest through taxes
now
ntukubana tushara government taxes
ato ryo murisa iwiwe doctor ryo murisa twe ngo ati tukabeka abana kushereka buri kimwe cyayi I think that comes when you are a criminal na hato inente za wikuminingita why would you deny that thing now no jibire but umuriso go kwenda kama mate ningo kama mate nebya kore hato basharaho nubazutunga in return bagaruza muchi because you see we are here to advise this government ne yaka sent ekareta we have had people complaining of being murdered there we have lost people we embereza bakora muno shangara ngara umuntu yagira kuyaba umuntu ariyo mistreatment and torture of the highest level time comes uzochiza kure bigambe bikurugo mukano umuntu nashana ngakublaming abo kuzaheru but you saying already that we get something from them. How do you advise the system that has for long gained no jabura ngo ejireta kamere mamati hate twaze tende
mujurize arokushanga ngo embwa yetene mene kamoka doesn't mean anything
but it can scare away if
backing kuba ine mbundo je kuriri ine nkomuzinga gutara mu masasi.
But you see me, I can look at you and run away. Nane mbwe kumoka nyoni mbantara shuwa mtene mino I can run away.
Hati ntuchumao mtongine. Mbwa neiba nochumao kwa mino kakakuka. Hatu waza kureba neiba. Yaza hui nubuza kwa baziri kumuzike sharinga. Nukumano shek. What can you do? That is Uganda. Uganda muru kujireba. Tine advantage. Yani sinikaba bata bakuza hiyo.
It is that vulnerable
to stress as an economy. Why? To stress kuko basindikire nabaza kutoroka batore barabena mbodo ko bagende batwara bakenya. You don't have a comparative advantage because during the Philippine economy a training abakoze bayo a training chefs one on ndo mutechi munonje no mu Philippine. The Philippines are the best chefs among you. The Philippine country earns over $60 billion on bantu bayo.
So any comparative advantage
because it trained them. How do you weigh knows how can you back a minute again? Ababa antaboruno sindikani senior 4.
Na mwetu bajine.
Naba mwetu bajine.
I know recently owaje kugenda bakambuza rushungo rwa Uganda rukanga bakajya you can take this person yamara himyaka. I don't know how they did it later but akagenda rya hero.
Now how can you talk umuntu ariyo natwarata kamanya rushungo hata bariyo bakuyamba to offload that excess labor because nabaguma they will be behind the way. Who is promising them nothing? Umuntu nashanga kuri twirida ayo nagamba he's promising them nothing but they are following him because they don't see hope. Umuntu atine nyenchakare nababa bantu bakura bankafakari nkafakari no yambwa bamukutwara kako bari yokwe arebense in another perspective karu kugaruka yijana na maka kitoka ka kumutukomye kemutware tande muzingayi arabacha Rwanda kuja the government yoneko. But the truth is we have been growing gradually. Kuja kuongera science teachers naba science center. It's a gradual process. We know bariyomba striking konka kukuza side ya government okababuzo twenyini mwine sente zo kwaba bantu nibaza kugira ngo ya borrowing event to PDM money the 1 billion iba kweta it has to be borrowed kuziteko mu economy. Has the government never squeezed some way?
Somebody developed an argument recently in other part in economics. Kujirangu salaries will never be enough because when you look at the United States currently, the government shutdown, and before government to shutting down United, and it costs a lot on civil servants. Now, Ejeshaha, twino umuntu naza kugira ati government nayo yonka in its wisdom namnonga nkeji government twira in advisors everywhere you meet somebody kugira ati ndi advisor obanzo mureba rero shoberwa mnonga because no reba advisor tina now hata na kugira ati salaries have never been enough ako hati me I don't know how much you earn but I believe you are one of the biggest earners in Katwazo mtown hat kongani wasakwana ojuti nyende chirezi somebody akaja ati government sheme providing isiba kweta okay now tuza kugira haka humuro konka government sheme kube n'ibindi bintu byeterere haba cause not promise the money salary they nebi bikabayamba kubahoje gatuzo mukakumuro turaje tuze tuwongereho turugena ntwendera program simka turi active
Yamal, Hurricane, Cristiano Ronaldo, Victor Gyökeres, and Alan Okedo. It's Mbappe coming on and scoring. From the Pearl of Africa to the heart of Spain, Star Times brings you football action you need. Season 2025-2026. Starting August 15th, La Liga, Bundesliga, Saudi Pro, Carabao Cup, and our own Star Times UPL returns only on Star Time. Subscribe to Star Times Classico Smart Bouquet at only 36,000 shillings monthly to watch live on World Football Channel and Sanyuka Prime for Uganda commentary. Star Times Football, complete IC.
Can't you give me something better than this?
Better than what? Is it a illegal tender for Bank of Uganda?
I don't need this point. Give me my money. I said give me my money. Give me
Young
my
lady,
What is
young
it?
lady.
What is it?
Don't you know that it is wrong to reject the national currency of any denomination? You should respect it and know that all money has value.
Bank of Uganda issues coins in the denominations of Uganda shillings 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000. They are all legal tender in Uganda and should be accepted for all transactions. Money is precious. Handle with respect. This message is brought to you by Bank of Uganda.
Emyaka mingi omubazi gwitwa mino gwa ABCDent na Fresha gubyene guteza kurungi munonga kubasa kulinda mino no kwetantara okunuka kano na hati gumana okozesa ABCDent na Fresha kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumeni kahumuraje izoba lyona ABCDent na Fresha nibukuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbira omubazi ogwa ABCDent na Fresha dero oyiyongera kushekomba nti otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga hichira za supermarkets n'amaduka gakuri hihi okwetorora ihanga lyona ABCDent na Fresha ni gombazi gonka ogukwirinda mino gitu.
wagaruka kandi turahari na muheru ya program y'ekiganiro kitu Dr. Azland people hariho icyo kubasa ku recommending on the side of the government.
Nyeche kushaka government echi isira barateke national guidance nirga kezi kose bakweta za patriotism eri hangere mujuriza ari musente kuko sente nubasa kuzireba baba kugira amasho kuzireba kandi okwigura amasho go kuzireba kiru cyo kuzo mukarasi honka our minds are not educated the teaching of the mind netana na ne kuwara biro mu class benje ne beja baheza degrees bakana PhD, but when they don't have their contract hard nimbere biro mu makarasi nimbere biro abashomesa bataye banje ko bakushomesa oreba umuntu ngiri yayo nagambira amabana oreba ngo this mind was not educated, and that one comes from national guidance. It would be even be better kugira ngo there is a course unit that is compulsory obandi kuruganka primary kuzenka university bakutwegesa okundi hanga rito hariho okundi hanga haruna no kwigura mesho kureba ibyo utarukureba mujurize
ani biratwaniski ko nyaka tumi okundi hanga ni byihanga sheme kuba ndikora you automatically you will go to America get a 5-year child
no manyangu
America is the most powerful country. Why? Yes. Because it provides. Hatu nyono ngambira utaguma mu rhetoric ya
wazo mnaka bajurize wazo mu Japan mbakujangu the entire baby class itwahangu ne primary.
Yes,
they are only teaching the children how to handle things, how to clean the environment where they are. Choje umuntu no shanga umushijara mukuru oreba arya university nkankai na stamp icupa y'imotoka ashumikira kuri cha V8 atambuka kacupa hero njuze cyo gumuntu na bashomere. Educating the spirit, the mind of an individual is different from going to class. Has a hari opportunities ziriya zo rukureba bandeze bako basa gukora bakiya musente, but they cannot do them because they lack patience in them. Okushomesa umuntu patience in university in economics class. We need much more than education into knowledge.
Okay, through Jenan tuendera ajuga ngwasi yabatureba nyina babasitani batureba
iwo munyayiganda ryo no mwoga gwawe nko muzaire no mwoga gwawe nko munyayiganda kwegesa umwana wawe ibintu bye ebata kubasa kumwegeza ahantu hona ogo mwoga tukagureshera abazaire no ijota umuntu shahisha ndazecuro urya murumo nokora umwana bamushozi 12 bamutwara bamutayishomero umurekero umungaro zomushomesa na watarije umutu garaka yashomesa umwana ogwe because ni kitana cyo mu family ni cyo kintu cyukuru ekuretero umuntu yabe cyane nimbasa kuba shindye kinde shaheje but I know where it comes from. I can trace it back. As in programs zisto kubantu yongera kandi TV West nene zongera urwo kubanza kusena wa gatanu bakoredoro programs z'ukwate n'ibintu binje byoshe mu kwando sho.
Yes.
Goma TV West.
Nenda kusima doctor bari kwija kandi nangwe bire hahara bati always come and educate masses. Uganda n'abahereri ya Uganda nenda basima bagumira TV West ukurwo twatandika kandi programs zagumiza mwezindi ibinafta is very one simuka mbendezo barungi ugumeho.
Uganda mwetebekanisize obuni bw'obwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kale kubaza kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 10 zonka yanditse shaheji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash asimu yawe ubwo shiringi 10 zonka rero otegereza omuncha ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West burizoba uri kwihandisa nikongera imigisha yawe okuturanwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente mu program yo mushonje hamwe no muneneserezo umuhanguzi naza kwa naterwa simu kurabira ahari noti chenda anana mwenda emirunde yo kwetaba mu kazano nikone mcha yawe yo kusingura iri kweyongera.
ati nakuriza umukazi wawe mugende muzare mutunguke mbwenu emigisha oguno mugisha